student, please subscribe my channel. All the best. God bless you. Here we are discussing very important ionic equilibrium as well as chemical equilibrium questions. Here, if Ag1 positive react with ammonia, it will form this complex AgNH3. 1 positive charge, K1 is equal to 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. And then AgNH3 1 positive react with a second mole of ammonia, so it will form AgNH3 whole twice. And complex ion and positive charge, means we'll get diamine silver. Here we'll get monoamine silver. Here we'll get diamine silver, and complex ion carry 1 positive charge only. Okay, K1 and K2 are given, and they are asking write down the formation constant of AgNH3 2 times NH3 complex ion 1 positive charge. Now options given to you. So first I have written value of K1 value, just K1 this equilibrium constant will be, this is the product will be up and reactant will be down, so Ag1 positive NH3 only. And then K2 similar way, this is the product, so it will be up AgNH3 2 times NH3 complex ion carry 1 positive charge divided by concentration of AgNH3 1 positive and concentration of ammonia. These K1 and K2 are given, values are given to you, but they are asking formation of constant of AgNH3. So we will get this by the addition of these two reactions. This is first reaction, this is second reaction. Okay, so when we will add them together, so AgNH3 1 positive cancel out, this is cancel out, and we'll get Ag1 positive plus 2 NH3 gives you AgNH3 whole twice and carry 1 positive charge, and new constant K will be there. This is called formation constant of AgNH3. This is called formation constant. And since we are adding these two reactions, this and this, so the equilibrium constant K1 and K2 will multiply, and then we'll get formation constant of the this diamine silver ion. So K will be equal to K1 into K2. Okay, and in this manner also we can write on, this is the product up, reactant down with Ag1 positive, molar concentration of Ag1 positive twice ammonia concentration whole square. Now K1 into K2, and then we'll put the value and we'll get the answer. Here see, this again I have written over here, and K1 into K2, K1 is given 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 3. These values are given here. I read it out. K1 is equal to 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. K2 is equal to 1.7 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Okay, so then when they will multiply with each other, so power will become 10 to the power minus 6, and 5.96 is the formation constant of AgNH3 to 1 positive charge. This is no option over here, so none of these is correct answer, because correct answer is 5.95. Thank you for watching.